Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious homemade lemon buttercream frosting. That's a mouthful, and it's going to be a mouthful of deliciousness. So watch and learn. Okay, so for our ingredients, you're going to need a half a cup of butter, which is equal to 1 stick of butter. We're going to use 2.5 cups of powdered sugar. We're going to use, you can use fresh lemon zest and some fresh lemon juice if you'd like, or you can use lemon extract. I'm going to use lemon extract today. Also some yellow food coloring. You can use the neon color. I'm going to use the baby colors. They're soft baby colors. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is put our butter into our mixing bowl. And then we're going to go ahead and get our mixer and put it on low and start to cream the butter. We're going to add our 2.5 cups of powdered sugar now. We're going to go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of lemon extract. And as I said, you can use fresh squeezed lemon and even add lemon zest if you'd like to. We want to mix it with the wet and dry ingredients so that when we start the mixer, we don't have powder fly up into the air all over the place. So we're also going to go ahead and squeeze about 3 drops of yellow food coloring. There you go. We'll check and see if that's dark enough. So it's to your preference how dark or light you want your cupcakes. So let's go ahead and start giving this a mix. Turn on the mixer, add about a tablespoon of water. Go ahead and mix it with your mixer off. Stir it in a bit. Get the powder incorporated. Get the powder incorporated. And then lightly start to mix. It smells heavenly. There you go. That's a nice, creamy lemon frosting. Now, as I said, if it's too light for you, you can also add more food coloring, which I'm going to add more because I want mine to be a little more yellow. But it smells delicious. I've got to tell you, this frosting smells so good, and I really am a big fan of lemons. So let's go ahead and get this cream together. Simple, delicious lemon buttercream frosting. Our frosting is done. I've got a tray of cupcakes here, and I'm going to go ahead and show you how to frost. You can also use parchment paper if you don't have pastry bags. Take a piece of parchment paper and fold it like this, like a little cone shape. And then just tape the ends, and I will show you how to put your buttercream frosting inside and then frost your cupcakes. Alright, so just take a piece of tape. Tape that shut, and then just another one along the ends right here. We'll go ahead and get started frosting. I'm going to go ahead and add a decorative tip to my bag so that the cupcakes will have a little decorative twist on them. You don't have to do that. You can even frost them with a spoon. You can use a pastry bag. It's really up to you. I'm just doing this for the purposes of the video, having a little fun, and then we're going to enjoy some cupcakes. Okay, for easy filling, so it doesn't get all over the place, it's nice to just take your pastry bag, put it inside of a cup. Remember, if you want thicker frosting, use more powdered sugar. You want it thinner, more like an icing, you can add more flavoring, you can add more food coloring, or just a little bit of water. You can also choose to use milk. I don't choose to use milk, but you can use it. This frosting smells delicious. It's amazing. Okay, we're all done filling the bag now. When you get ready to start squeezing the frosting out, pinch a little bit from the top of the pastry bag and fold it just a bit so that it doesn't want to come out the other way. Not going to be fun if it does. Okay, let's get started on decorating these cupcakes. Here. Gently press the tip into the cupcake and squeeze the bag ever so gently and start to swirl. There you go. One delicious lemon cupcake. Let's do another one. So gently squeeze, gently press the tip in and swirl out. Back in, up. There you go. Let's do it. Okay, here we go. Cupcake, pastry bag, tip. Gently press the tip into the cupcake. Pull up, swirl around, stop and pull up. And I think that after this video, you cannot expect me to want to try one of these cupcakes. So let's see how our frosting came out. Superb. Superb. Very easy. This is enough frosting for 12 cupcakes. I did put a lot of frosting on these ones. Okay, so this recipe is super easy. I'm going to speak really slowly, so go get your pen and paper. Super easy. You ready? Okay, so excuse me. Okay. Remember, half a cup of butter, 2.5 cups of powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon of lemon extract, lemon juice, freshly squeezed or store-bought, and about 1/2 teaspoon of lemon zest. That's optional. Also, about 3 drops of yellow food coloring. You can add more to your preference of how dark that you would like. You can add more food coloring depending on your preference of how dark you want the yellow to be. Add about 1 tablespoon of water, and remember, incorporate it without having your mixer on to begin with, or else the powder is going to fly everywhere and that's not going to be a fun mess to clean up. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it. Somebody requested this video, and so that is really why I made this. Really wanted to know how to make lemon buttercream frosting, and this buttercream frosting recipe is super easy, super quick. If you're having guests over and you need to make some buttercream frosting, as long as you have butter and powdered sugar in your pantry, you're good to go. Oh, and lemon extract, of course. This works for strawberry, it works for chocolate. So watch for my next video when I do chocolate, maybe strawberry. Good night. And thank you for watching.